Osibirukwala no. Hey, Osibiru nan. Bigachom kunene video Reverend Ifremon Okwu about the arrest and the pastor and how a message was sent across to him. Say ananya bawo so shelala no he boneja. Achom kunu kulu dan nene this video nene loyanese because this man is one of also kwanonya be Charles Soludo si be meya investigation. See be man we hebena mother jaki ana call for investigation. Come and investigate me. Come and investigate me. Come and nyochamu bia nyochamu. He also gave clues. Clue. And some because you know nine number all these people if they begin to mention none of their names, Amanda Habo. So because Nelu in this video, that the Ime Nelu and is called the one.
Many of us have never traveled. Many pastors and prophets have never traveled from this state, travel out to another state. In the Abuma, in the miracle, in the Canada, the very few. The emergency travel. Man, I'm going to Libya. I know on our time, on our the pastor, on our the prophet, on the government. Oh, look at the Libya. What do you call the pastor? Now the prophet. Oh, what do you call you? You don't know. Mutalama na hii jolonjo. Carry out to Libya. Every now and then we deceivers. Ndi na wali ndi mwanu na church. Ebe a kebe nebe. And ana travel in case of na afa mo de na akwụkwọ. In case of na afa mo ba akwụkwọ de na akwụkwọ. Ka isi na bia nde mo na me go disappear. So, you don't need to travel out now. I am not traveling anywhere until I say arrest. Abuso koyasi sebi akulumo e wora na miracle of na IT and internet sebi amagini sebi akulum can investigate every miracle, investigate every testimony. To the extent that somebody called what's the more of a young American? You see, I tell you for also the large over Muno area. Also, the large over Muno area. Is that okay? Or the Pamuma or Obama from the Amoma, never will arrest. More than Siamo Muno area. What's that? Anybody know about a powder? Every testimony put out from this ministry, I can prove it till Saturday Hotanko. So, arrest. Miracle. I don't need to travel out. I don't need to know area. I saw you on the phone and someone I if I don't have any skeleton in my cupboard, why will I know area? I am open for investigation. Open on the Libya. ML arrest. Now, also have the pastor for our go home. The man and I need to travel out because of one of the guys who go here. No native doctor, no witch doctor, no Baba who go here. If I want to person, keep it more. More than oneself, who could all go out to the crewman. Who are all go out to the crewman issue one? I think I'll keep one more. You don't know what did it. Number one, oh, yeah, no, man, shrine here. Door, yeah, I'm 6 feet. Now I can't face the door. Eh? Otu amba kita mbeza mbezi lete down kisi ngare kuna do obuna ma ogoye isia mbezi lete down kisi ngare kuna do ele wana face le do asitibia ndo na bie Mbe di se down kisi ngari kuna to. Obula me go gini. Na ma go go nsia. Ndi si obule mo cho wa na lo. Ogo si oji go si ya ta. Oga si oji obuzi amia. Mu asi ake go go le. I cannot subject myself to that level. Pastors na professional in Anambra State, majority of them, you will see that many of us, I think I said it sometime here. Now this is not a plan. Bunjamu manezio ego 2%. Ndi Chineke ji eme miracle. Ndi Chineke si n'aka ha na-arụ ọrụ ebube nke ezigbo ego 5%. Ndị si na ha na-eme miracle. Mana every day, right on, a na-agbacha aka, a na-eti, a na-akpọtụ onye na omume ọsọ. No, they make it down. The middle of them that walk on Anambra State. What Abia? Moboda State. Look at people who are having because somebody was already new. Farmer Musi Olo. Farmer Musi Boy. They can no longer learn a trade. And they know that they don't have any business with God. Me and Emeka why you? In the 2001, from radio station to radio station, before internet, it's if you go to Anambra State here, everything will be very well. Kamila ko Benata Kenya, speed yet you put Benata Kenya. I mean, Benata Kenya, graduate 27 years in Nololo Adifa, and I stand boldly to say, now in the 27 years there, give one another, negative, and I'm going to give you. Okay, come on, move in. Okay, I don't know give you. Madam, now, who are you? Now, Balloon Christmas. I don't know you came alone. MS Nara arrest here. MS Nara arrest here, Pussy. Who may be in America. No, oh, now I'm okay, America. And I'm also going to keep us. Any day we come on from. Man, I'm a blue. I don't church at all. 97 again. I'm not. You better get the one moon.